What's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. Spent some time with the family and did some things with themselves, man. Like I said, man, y'all know what it is. It's another day in the market, man. Monday, another week, another trading week ahead. I'm excited about it. Life is good. We about to roll on out, man. All right. Trying to think of anything I did over this week, this weekend, as far as trading that I need to update y'all about before I start. I didn't really do anything. I Ubered, man. You know, that's all I do on the weekends. My little side hustle, side business. Um, nope, didn't really do anything as far as on the trades. I meant to put some buy orders in, 5 shares on a couple of monthly paying dividend stocks, but I didn't have time. I had Ubered, got off around about Ubered on yesterday about I want to say about 4 to about I don't know 7:30. Got off, went downtown Savannah and hung out for a minute. Got a little drink and chill on out just to see the city for a second. Went to mama's house and ate dinner. Then stayed around there with her for a couple hours and came home. By the time I made it home, man, I was tired. And then I looked at a couple NBA highlights and the guy went on down to bed, man. But let's go ahead and get at it, man. Portfolio at $44,422.70. I am up $545, buying power $5,463.77. Didn't have anything that triggered as far as my buy orders already put in. And some of my swing trades or trades I was telling y'all about last week that I'm a swing trade and need to lower my average calls on some monthly paying stocks. But let's get at it. One thing I do see, man, the bank stocks are really about to get beat up. They about to get beat down and come on down. So if y'all want to buy any banks, it's gonna be the I ain't gonna say the time is now, but it's coming. There's a lot of news about these banks going under, man. So I'm gonna be sitting there on the side waiting. Some I'm gonna get Riverview Bank, ticker RVSB, ticker NYCB, New York Community Bank. The Riverview Bank gonna be a whole New York Community Bank gonna be a swing trade, but I'm gonna hold it for a second. Gonna be a little hold for a minute. I'm gonna get some Carver State Bank, ticker CARV, which is risky, but that's gonna be a swing trade for the future. Buy low now, wait on the interest rate to get cut later, and I'm gonna swing trade it later. And I'm gonna put y'all up on game on some other bank. Ticker FLIC, first Long Island Bank, probably in NTB, Butterfield Bank. Gonna be a lot of little small banks that pay a high dividend yield that I'm gonna go into. All right, Horizon. Where we at? 11:58 today. Y'all know this pays out monthly. If y'all should know by now. I've been giving y'all this play for the longest. I'm gonna go in and get 5 shares at the weekly low. I want to buy 5 shares of this every week. But this one of my monthly ones here. I'm going into, got PSEC. As y'all know, I've been giving y'all this play for a long time, man. This pays 6 cents a share monthly. This is down. This is the day low 524. About to get 5 shares of this. This is a long-term hold. And I'm also buying it because I need to come down in this portfolio. And it's gonna be a swing trade for later. I'm gonna collect the 6 cent a share dividend a month until it goes above probably the 6.30 mark, and I'm gonna sell it probably between 6.30 and $7. See, the 52-week high is 6.84, so I'll probably let it rip about 6.40, 6.50, and make me some money. All right. Should be an easy day of trade, and I know anything that's gonna be down are gonna be banks. I don't think they're in my buying range, so I'm not gonna pay them any attention. LFT, Lumen Finance, like that at 220 and under. Yeah, 230. I am not gonna bother it. Let me make sure my 220 play is still there though. Get a buy order in for that at 220. But it's LTC. I'm sorry, this is another one. LFT. I'm on the wrong. I got LFT and LTC. And this one here, I should have a buy order in at 220. Yep, 25 shares. So we're gonna wait on that to hit there. That's the price I like to get it at. SLRC pays monthly. Thinking like 10 or 12 cents a share. I can tell you now. If the history will come up. There we go. Dividend. I know it did go back to quarterly. 41 cents a share quarterly. So 12, 15 to be 45, 14, 42. Paid roughly like, 13 to be 42. 12 will be 36. 13 to be 39, I'm sorry. 14 to be 42. So it pays roughly 13, 14 cents a share. Like monthly. If you want to put it on a monthly basis, but it pays out quarterly. Alright. Penny Mac Trust, Mortgage Trust, they had good earnings. We'll see what's going to happen there. Not really buying on there. I'm in a good range. Charge point look like it's trying to do something. Up 6%, but that don't mean nothing because it's probably got a huge short on it. People shorting this stock. Today's low 128. Y'all know this gonna be a long-term play. Going to get my 3 shares. If y'all wanna ride this play out with me, come on and join. I'm not loading up strong. I do want to get my average cost below that $2 range. Make sure the order went through. It looked like I swiped to another page. I'm at 210. What's the date? The 29th? Yeah, it went on through. So got that sitting. All right. Ben Franklin Resources, whatever that is, it's down. It's a nice hold, nice dividend there. Going to accumulate a couple fractional shares. %12.5 market cap, 4.8. I would say 5% dividend. I can ride out with that. They pulling back because they miss earnings, which is cool. Medifast up 4.46%. Like I told y'all, dollar cost average in this. When they pull back by it, that's going to be a long-term play that you can swing trade. When they announce their dividend again, they reinstate that dividend, that thing going to shoot up. Lucy at 2309. $5 worth of that. That pays out monthly. Calvin State Bank down 3.6%. Make sure my orders in for this week. I'm at 215 now. I was up in the threes. Okay, it did do all my buy limit orders. Low at 151. We can swing that. Might sell these shares at the 175 range. Get 3 shares. Piece it together. I like it around that 150-ish mark. Intel also been pulling back. Long-term buy and hold play. Build this back up in this portfolio. I got it in my Cash App too. Alright, where else we going? This the one I was telling you about, Riverview Bank. Bank is pulling on back. $4.40. I can easily swing trade this at $6 when it come on back. Get a share. See if we're gonna pull back around that 430ish, 420ish mark. But that's one bank I'm gonna be looking at. AFCG, Gamma, ORC. I need to buy some shares of them. Gold and USOI. Not worry about this one. I will tell you about. Ticker FLIC had bad earnings. Small bank, 219 million. PE ratio at a 9. Dividend yield at 8%. Let me get 10 of that. Add a little couple in. It's a nice juicy yield. We'll see whether it's sustainable or not. See what their payout ratio is. Worst case, they might have to reduce their dividend. That's part of the game. Coney is a monthly paying ETF. You know that been pulling back, but I'm in a good place. I'm gonna monitor it. NFL, while I was buying $5 a day, it seemed like this is in the buy range. Yield Max ETFs. Right now, you do want to kind of focus on cash flow every month because this market is going to get ugly. See, 1927, I'm up right there. I want to start buying QQQY, my Charles Schwab portfolio. I want to buy 5 shares of that, probably 10 shares a week. I'm going to start that there up. That's one of my portfolios I buy and hold. I got some money sitting I need to do something with. And I wanted to be something a little risky. So I think that's the move I make. I update y'all on it. But one thing about it, I can't screen record that. Oh, Charles Schwab, man, you can't even screenshot nothing in there in your account on there. That's how high and strict their security is for Charles Schwab. But I can just update y'all verbally on that one. But I got QQQY right here too, so whichever way, but I need to do something with that one. And that's one I keep and I got access to with no margin. I got a little bit of margin right now, but it's like $600. I'm gonna put like $1,000 in there like a month and keep on buying that one. I was trying to choose between that and SVOL. I'm gonna see which route I'm gonna go. Whether I want to go a little safe with SVOL or a little risky with the QQQY. I'm thinking about something a little risky. I got SVOL in my Webull portfolio with a average cost of $20.98. So that just sit there and collect dividends. So if it was to pull back, I'll buy some more. But I'm out, man. Go get your money. I will talk to you later.